Hi, my name is Kamaya.
Hi, my name is Autumn, and we go to Bliss. And here's 5 things you need to know about city schools.
Number 1. First quarter report cards will be available on Campus Portal starting November 6th. Number 2. Mrs. Karen Lawrence has served city schools for over 50 years and has been the city schools ombudsman since 2011. Learn more about how she serves students and families. Number 3. If you have a student heading to middle or high school, visit an upcoming open house to explore their school options. Check the district school choice webpage for dates and details. And remember, the school choice fair is on December 14th. Number 4. College acceptances are rolling in. Tag City Schools on social media so we can celebrate your students' college acceptance news. Number 5. Share what matters to you for the 2025 through 2026 school year by attending one of your school's budget engagement meetings. Get more information on the City Schools website or your school.